People often ask, what is the difference between our will plans and our trust plans when it comes to estate planning? And why is it that our trust plans are considerably more expensive than our will-based plans? Well, wills and trusts do the same things around the edges, and that is, one, they let you pick who is in charge of your estate after you die. So who's the person that's going to be gathering the assets, paying off the creditors, and then distributing the money to the beneficiaries. If you're in the last will and testament world, in Florida, that's called a personal representative. Other states, it's called an executor or executrix. And if you're in the trust world, it's called a successor trustee. But it doesn't really matter what their name is. That's their job. Gather the assets, pay the creditors, distribute to the beneficiaries. Now, the second thing that they do is they let you pick who are your beneficiaries. It may not be evenly to your children, or maybe you don't have children, and maybe you don't want it to go to your brothers and sisters or nieces and nephews. You may want it to go to friends or family members or charities or anything else you can think of. So that's what wills and trusts do similar. Now, how are they different? Well, the last will and testament in Florida is your roadmap through the probate process. If you don't know what that is, check out my videos on the probate process and why it is a sucker's game that only makes lawyers money. There are attorney's fees, court costs, filing fees, publication fees, bond, paralegal fees, and personal representative fees. Every one of those fees and costs come directly out of the pocket of your beneficiaries. And so it can be avoided through proper use of a trust in your estate plan. The reason it's a lot more expensive is on top of everything that is included in the will package, our trust package includes your revocable trust, which for us is typically 60 to 80 pages. I know most attorneys will give you 15 to 20 and tell you, congratulations, you have a trust. I even saw a 4-page trust one time. It really sucked. So 60 to 80 pages that covers all the contingencies of the what if at the time of your death, your beneficiaries have passed away. If they're on public benefits, special needs individual, drug or alcohol problems, gambling addictions, in the middle of a divorce or a lawsuit. The will just can't accommodate those things. So that's how they are different, is that the trust avoids probate, 60 to 80 pages. You also have a summary of trust, memorandum of trust, notice of trust, and assignment of property to trust. So all of those documents are well over 100 pages of custom drafted estate planning, and that is one of the reasons why the trust package is a lot more expensive than the will package. But in the long run, it always saves you money to do a trust over a will. Have a great day.